In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Amazon Prime Video account. First, let's start with the Prime Video website. Whether you're using a Windows or Mac computer, go to the Prime Video website in your browser. If you are not already signed in, you will need to do that now. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right of the page. Enter your credentials, including your email and password, then hit the Sign In button. This is crucial because only logged-in users can access account settings. Once you are signed in, you will see a personalized homepage tailored to your viewing preferences, making it easier to find content that interests you. Once you are logged in, look to the upper right corner of the screen to find your profile icon. This icon typically represents your current account and is an important navigation point. Click on this icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides various options related to your account settings. It's essential to access this menu as it leads you to the settings where you can manage your account, ensuring a smooth transition between different Amazon accounts. From there, select Account and Settings from the drop-down menu. This will direct you to a page that gives you detailed options about your account. Here you can adjust preferences related to your viewing experience, payment methods, and more. Navigating to this section is vital because it allows you to manage all aspects of your Amazon Prime Video account in one place. Next up, click on the Sign Out option. This action will log you out of the current account. A confirmation message may appear, reminding you that you will be logged out. This step is important because it ensures that you are completely disconnected from your previous account before signing in with another. You might notice a brief pause, but this is normal as the system processes your request. Sign in again using the Amazon account you want to use. Enter the email and password for the new account and click the Sign In button. This step brings you back to the Prime Video platform, but now with a different account. You will see a new homepage reflecting the preferences and recommendations of the newly logged-in account. This is important because it allows you to access content associated with your new Amazon account seamlessly. Now, let's move on to changing your Amazon Prime Video account using a mobile device, either Android or iPhone. First, open the Prime Video app on your smartphone. The app should load quickly, displaying your current account's home screen. This step is the starting point for managing your account on a mobile device. Tap your profile icon, which is typically located at the bottom or top corner of the screen. This icon serves as your gateway to various account settings. When you tap it, a menu will pop up, similar to what you saw on the web version. This menu allows you to access settings specific to your account, which is essential for making any necessary changes. After that, tap on the Settings option, which is usually represented by a gear icon. This action will lead you to a new menu where you can manage your account preferences. Accessing settings on your mobile device is just as important as on the desktop. It ensures you have full control over your viewing options, making your experience more personalized. Next, tap on My Account. This section gives you access to your account details. You will see options related to your subscription and sign-in information. From here, tap Sign Out to log out of your current account. This step is crucial because it ensures that any previous user data is cleared before you log in with another account. Finally, sign back in with the other Amazon account. Enter the new account's credentials, and you will be redirected to your new homepage. This final step completes the process, allowing you to enjoy content associated with your new account. You can now explore and enjoy the different offerings without any hassle.